trick to another. For instance, if you start with the basic jumps, perform it 3 times and then transition to side swing, you will be able to do that because most of the people have practiced that pattern and they are able to do it smoothly. Their response time is great and you are quite quick while performing this type of pattern. But let's try a different pattern. We will start with the basic jumps, perform it 3 times and then we will perform a difficult jump rope trick called toad. Now this time you are going to face difficulty because after performing basic jumps 3 times, you will think about the hand movements and the gestures which are required to perform toad. So your transition rate will deteriorate and you will not be able to perform it so smoothly. And that is what we are going to focus on today's video. We are going to work on transition, how to change from one jump rope trick to another. We are going to work on simple patterns which you can integrate in your life, integrate in your workout so that you can improve further. Before I share with you patterns, I would like to tell you how I came up with this theory of transition. I'm trying to mix rope jumping and dance. So to perform jump rope dance, I have to be quick and I have to transition from one trick to another really fast so that I can match up the beat and the tempo of the music. So just to do that, I came up with this idea. And now I'm going to share with you some of the patterns. The first pattern is you start with the basic jumps, perform it 3 times and then 2 times side swing and then perform 1 crisscross. The second pattern is start with the basic jumps, perform it 3 times, 2 times cross and then 1 time crisscross. And the last pattern, which is quite difficult to perform, let's start with the basic jumps, perform it 3 times and then perform a toad. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find it useful. I'll see you in the next video.